think for D2C brands, the only advice is this: please spend a lot of time in understanding your consumer and your category. Figure out what is the core category truth in your category and embrace that. Don't get dissuaded by the current narrative in the context of your category. Yeah. See, current narrative generally exists because existing brands, which are the bigger brands or whatever, have dumbed down the consumer to saying, yeah, this is यही तो हो रहा है ना, अगर यही हो पहले होता है, अगर वही करना है, then there's no need for D2C brands. So I think D2C brands latch on to a strong consumer backward insight, test it with the truth of the category, and I think this is where entrepreneurs need to spend a lot of time.